Till now we have just discussed different types of labels. One thing more to add to the topic of labels is that labels that have same name will connect regardless of the label type if they are in the same sheet, which means that if we use all these three labels and they have the same name, then they will be connected with one another if they are used on the same sheet. So let's just let me prove this claim. Let's just add this microcontroller Arduino Uno R3 over here, and let's just add first of all this local label or the net label, and let me just write a simple name. Let's say its name is A, and hit OK. Let me just place over here, and let's just add now a global label, and let's name it as A and hit OK. And let's just place over here. Let's add now a hierarchical label and also name it as A and hit OK and place over here. Now you can see that we have added three different types of labels. The local label, global label, and the hierarchical label. Now let's just make a net by connecting a wire between this pin number 9 to this local label, and add another wire between pin number 10 and to this global label. Let me just change the setting of the wire by going over here, and now let's click on this and join with this global label, and let's just add pin number 12, connect pin number 12 with this hierarchical label. Now you can see that we have used three different types of labels in a single sheet, that is our root sheet. And now let's check if all these pins 9, 10 and 12 are connected with one another. So in order to highlight the net, the schematic editor has a tool over here, that is the highlight wires and pins of the net. Click on this, and this once you click on any wire or a pin, this will highlight all the entire net and all the pins that are connected in that net. So let's just click on this. You can see over here that the color of the wires, the labels and the pins have changed, which means that these all three pins are connected with one another using these labels, and these labels are connected with one another because we have used the same name of all the three labels. So let me just change the name. Let's say let me edit this label, the local label, and change it from A to B and hit OK. Now let's check that either it is connected with the rest of pin number 10 and 12 or not. Click on this highlight wire, click on this net. You can see that the pin number 10 and 12 didn't get highlighted because we have a label with a different name. Similarly, if I click on this, you can see that 10 and 12 pins are connected with one another using the global label and the hierarchical label. So make sure to give unique names to the labels that you do not want to connect with one another. If you give the same name to the labels of any type of any of these three types, if you give the same name to any of these three types, those labels will connect with one another regardless of their type.